Okay, in this video I'm pretty much going to show you how to control, like how to basically use an equalizer with the JBL PartyBox 300 that doesn't actually even come with the equalizer to begin with. The 300, the 200, the 1000, and I believe the 100 all do not have app support like those are the 310, the 110, the PartyBox Encore, the Encore Essential. And this only works with Android, so this does not work with iPhone. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to power the speaker on. Alright, I know you can see right here, but we are connected to that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to YouTube. Matter of fact, we're going to use this SoundCloud. No copyright sounds. Alright, this is how it sounds with the EQ turned off. And this is how it sounds with the EQ turned off. What we're going to do is we're going to actually turn bass boost off. We're not going to use bass boost whatsoever. So, look at once. Let's look at it again. It's turned off. And we're going to play the track. Okay, and now we're going to turn the EQ on. What we're going to be using for this tutorial, we're going to be using an app called Wavelet. It pretty much allows the EQ to run in the background, if you can see right here. So it allows that to be used in the background, unlike an iPhone, which doesn't allow that unless you're using the music app. So the only thing we're going to do is we're going to turn the EQ on. Go here to this is my preset personally. For any of you that are pretty much curious. And then we're going to go back and we're going to click play. guys, that's pretty much how you use any of these PartyBox speakers with an equalizer. Keep in mind that you have to have a Android device or this will not work. You cannot use this on Apple, you cannot use this on the iPad, you cannot use this on the iPhone, because though for some apparent reason the software does not allow an EQ to be played in the background unless you're using it with, let's say for example, the music app on the iPhone, which is supported with the equalizer, but you still can't tune anything, you just selected presets. Or like Spotify, yes, you can control the equalizer through there, but this, you can basically play any content, whether it's YouTube, SoundCloud, whatever you're doing. If you're playing a game, watching a movie, it works. But I hope if you found this tutorial and this method helpful, please consider leaving a like, and if you have any questions, just leave your comments down in the comment section. I'll try my best to get back to them. As always, I'll see you in the next one.